Hello, hello, hello. What's up, Enigma Traders? Hope you guys had a fantastic couple days. I know I did. I just came back from a retreat and it was definitely much needed. I'm feeling a lot more relaxed now, ready to go into CPI tomorrow. And last 2 days, we haven't really had the greatest range on ES. You know, it's been bouncing between roughly 41.32 all the way up to 41.60, just stuck within this 30-point range. And you know, this is obviously coming from a fantastic move up. We got a 100-point move up. And here is what I'm looking at going into CPI tomorrow. So the first thing that I see is we have this nice little trend line. If, you know, we could draw that out, roughly looking like that. And then you could also draw a nice little trend line from here. And my trading view is a little bit buggy today, but you can draw that trend line out and you know you can see, come on, there we go. So we're kind of near the apex of this wedge. The other thing that I'm looking at is we're obviously stopped at this little zone here. Again, my trading views is a little bit buggy today. As you can see, I have no time frames or anything else that I can look at. And then on the upper end, we have this big zone here. So that's kind of the range that we're stuck in. And, you know, ideally, if with CPI tomorrow, we want to see the breakout to the upside or to the downside. Some targets to look at. We've obviously got this level up here that I'd be looking to target. On the bottom, you know, we obviously have that level there. So this is kind of what I'm looking at. You know, there's obviously a lot more downside potential, which is why we have bulls heavily defending this spot. You will get some stops, maybe a short-term interim bounce somewhere alongside there. So you could add that level as well. Let's take a look here. So that is what I'm eyeing. I've been eyeing this 42.26 spot for quite some time, and I'm hoping price can get up to here. You know, you could draw this out again. I'm having some issues just from there. You could probably take that down all the way to about there. That is my end target. As you can see, resistance, 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 resistance. We're now coming back to it. You know, we haven't quite tapped it yet, but we, you know, hopefully can reach this level. This would be the ultimate target for the CPI day. This would also be close to that 100-point range you typically expect for a CPI day. So if we can get some continuation to the upside, I'm definitely eyeing this 42.25 all the way up to 42.45. And on the lower end, you know, if we get a full-on continuation to the downside on this trend, then definitely eyeing this 40.62 for the CPI tomorrow. At the end of the day, you know, we never know which way the market's going to take us tomorrow, but this is the prep work that I have. If we get the break of this, I'm eyeing this level here. If we get the break of this, I'm eyeing some, you know, potential profit taking right here and end target right here. So that is my analysis of ES, and I will post some more videos coming up soon.